What's up guys, Bearded Buckeye back with another review today, and I am looking at Skully's Winter Spice. Now I wanted to wait till after the holidays and after the scent went away for the year to talk about it. I wanted everybody to get their chance to get their hands on it and check it out for themselves and form their own opinion before I talked about mine. The set I got came with a beard oil, a beard balm, and a beard wash. And I can tell you, outside of one other scent from another company, this was my favorite winter scent, all in all. And I guess it's my favorite winter scent because the other one's more of a holiday scent for basically that's made for like Christmas. And this is just a broad spectrum of just the winter scent, so for winter spice. So the scent profile of this scent is spicy black peppercorn, bergamot, and oak, and as it comes together it smells very, very good. Like I said, this is my favorite winter scent, and it reminds me of if you walk into your house on Christmas time, or even as a kid when you walk in, there's a fire going in the fireplace, you got the Christmas tree up, and all those fresh smells of the fire and the Christmas tree together. And again, it's not a smoky scent, but just with that spiciness from the peppercorn, it just smells really good. And it is my favorite winter scent. So I hope you guys got your hands on it. There's the balm, because it's definitely one that needs to be experienced. I hope they bring it back next year. So if you didn't get to try it this year, you'll have to wait till next November-ish if they bring it back, if they don't change the scent up for a winter scent. So another one of my favorite things about this one is the logo. Now if you check it out, the little black, looks like a wreath right here on the side, is actually a Santa Claus skull with the beard as it like turns around down to the Winter Spice banner. And it's the little things like that about it when it comes to presentation that I like. I really like when a company does that. It added to the Skully's theme, and it's just a good touch. It just adds to that with the little details. So I like it a lot. And then we got the 1 ounce beard oil. And again, if you really want to amplify the scent of the balm, wear it with the beard oil. I usually do. The scent's not overbearing. It's a very good, rich scent. It doesn't overpower you. Even if when you pair it with the oil, it's not overpowering. It lasts a good 6 to 7 hours. The balm is more of the light hold. Gives you a more natural look, which is fine. Again, it smells really good. Pair it with the oil, it smells even better. The scent seems to last longer when you pair it with the oil. So, and another thing I like was they went away from the traditional brown bottle and went with the green for Christmas. And I did see that when he started selling out of all of these, he was switching over to the brown bottle to get through the rest of the season. So hopefully if you got the set, you got it the way it was intended with the green bottle. But all in all, this is one of the best winter scents I've ever tried. Outside of another one, which I said it wasn't just directly related to winter, it was more Christmassy, but this winter scent is fantastic. I wish it could have stuck around longer for more people to try it. So hopefully you got one, and I hope you like it. I like it. I highly recommend it. So hopefully you can find somebody that's willing to give one up if they're willing to, and maybe trade out some other stuff that they might not have, because this is really a must try. So, but that's all I got today. We were looking at Skully's Winter Spice, and then Skully's makes great product, and it didn't stop with Winter Spice. This is great stuff. So I got a lot of cool stuff coming up, a lot of different reviews. I'm really excited to talk about a review I have coming up from Untamed Beards. I'm really excited about that product a lot. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see I've talked about it a couple times already. Really excited to talk about that with you guys and review it for you. I have some really cool stuff coming up with a certain company, so as soon as we can reveal what's going on, I will. I'm really excited for it. I know they're really excited for it, and a lot of people are actually really excited for what's to come from that. So that's all I got today, guys. Hope everybody has a good rest of your weekend. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. If you're not subscribed yet, like this video. Check out all the other videos on the channel. I'm sure I have something for everybody. Have a great weekend, guys. See you next time.